Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM is active and you know the carrier. This prevents chasing the wrong settings. Next, turn off data roaming immediately to remove the R indicator tied to roaming. Then change preferred network type to LTE/3G/2G auto to force the phone onto the carrier's native radio. Once done, reboot the phone to re-register. Rebooting forces a fresh attach and often clears transient R flags, so you can continue to deeper fixes. Now check the APN list and restore defaults. A wrong APN can trigger roaming-like registration. If APNs look correct, manually pick your carrier under Network Operators, wait for registration, then switch back to Automatic. This forces a proper attach. Also clear any carrier-related app cache or data to eliminate stale provisioning. Once those steps are done, power cycle the device again and watch the status bar. If the R persists, it's likely a provisioning or SIM level flag needing carrier action. Finish by resetting network settings to clear all saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile configurations. This often clears stubborn R indicators. After the reset, toggle airplane mode on and off to force a fresh network attach, then place a test call or send an SMS to confirm normal service. If the R still appears, contact your carrier. Ask them to check your subscriber profile and provisioning or to issue a new SIM. One troubleshooting tip. Persistent R usually means the carrier must reprovision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.